Manipur ki senba sahi lisingani kunmanga kuntaruki budget amasung senba sahi lisingani kunmari kunmanga ge supplementary demand for grants ki matang da Lok Sabha da Treasury amadi opposition party ni gi marakta akan mong da hunaduna ngangna krai Manipur ki budget ki matang da wafam phongdok tringi manguine na Congress ki lusingba Gaurav Gogoi na house da phongdok kibada ngasidagi thakun mathoirong ki mamang da opposition house da thangat kiwa no confidence motion ki pakhom pireduna Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Manipur da ing tappa hanjilakadaba matam naksilak le haina phongdokibani adumainamak haukiba February gi tang 12 da Manipur da article 356 salaiduna Manipur da president's rule thamjin kriba asi aruba wafam amani Manipur da president's rule thamjin kriba asi kari maram gino haiba Prime Minister na haifam thopga loinena ngasi phawba Manipur da satriba kari gino haiba house da haibam thoi loinena Manipur gi budget kari gi damak Manipur Legislative Assembly da pudoktri bano Manipur gi Legislative Assembly dissolve taurabra natragana suspended animation da thamlibra haibagi matang da khanabada Union Home Minister kari damak yaudribano haina hangki Manipur ngasi President's rule thamliba asigi daita Union Home Minister na pugadabani nongmai singdol da amadi security force ki patrolling na Manipur da mahoksa gi phibam hanjan hanbang amloi haina phongdokhi ngarang house da puthoki ba Manipur gi budget aduda expenditure gi one lupa crore lising kuntra manga chamaga sumna ahumgi hemagi senpham oiri senpham asi tha sigi kuntra ma thoida loigadoriba mamangi budget ke senpham lupa crore lising kuntra ni thoiga satruk yankai truk khra hembadagi lupa crore lising aniga samri nifu tare khra hengali ngasi parliament ki Lok Sabha ki mifam da Manipur ki budget ki matang da demand for grant ke khanane na bada saruk yaraduna outer Manipur ki MP Alfred Gangam as Arthur na haiki vada finance minister na putholiba Manipur ki budget ase Manipur ki oinadi anti people oiba budget ne masida irang asina maram orega lanjena ribamyoi lising humpu ki matang da maset amata yaude irang asida saurana lupa crore lising kunrom gi oigada mamal chang sing tokhai taning ba sina amanga ta thon kre adubu masigi senpham adu budget asida amata yaude budget ase puraga yumda hankibada karamba lanjena ribamyoi lising humpu gi mamang da leplugani haiki Manipur ase hojik Ministry of Home Affairs na palivani Constitution ki matungina budget ta singi amadi tamge haina toan toana hapai basi mandatory oi haiba yauri adubu budget asida kananasu singi amadi tampake haiba khangnaroi maramaduna finance minister na Manipur gi asengba asumba budget oina putholga demand for grants puthoktuna khananingbage apamba phongdokhi
Today, this budget that I speak of is anti-people in Manipur. Why? Because you talk of the 60,000 that have been displaced today. All of their homes ravaged, burnt, broken, damaged, they're all displaced. There is no reflection in the budget for those displaced. The damage I hear, which was done by separate entities, has crossed 20,000 crore. I do not see anything of that sort. The entire budget is not even worth that. Mr. Chairman, sir, maybe my state is a small state, but we are not a small people. We are also equal in every way to this nation. My rising to speak again and again, if it is not making sense to this august house, give me the privilege and opinion and the opportunity to relinquish my seat and not come back here again. Coming here and speaking again and again and not being heard and not being executed at ground level. Do you know how painful that is to go back home to an empty home, to people in the streets who don't have any place to go to? And today you bring in a budget that does not address a single part of those affected today.
Shame.
I wonder, I still hope on more from the leadership of my nation. The budget has to clearly say, this is a notification of the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Hill Valley section separation is mandatory. There is no separation of that. How would we know which is going to hills, which is going to valley? Nobody would know anything. And for that reason, I would request the Honorable Finance Minister to put this off, bring in the actual budget and the demands for grants so that we can go into the discussion of what is going into the hills and into the valley and a little bit of the pain and hardships that the state is going through. I wish and I hope and I pray that this house together we can solve. Thank you, Mr. Chair, sir.